Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of TVs with washed out colors, poor sound, or clunky interfaces that make streaming a chore, then get hyped because today we're reviewing the Amazon Fire TV Omni QLED series. This smart 4K TV features QLED technology for brilliant colors, Dolby Vision HDR for stunning contrast, Dolby Atmos for immersive audio, hands-free Alexa for voice control, Fire TV OS with all your favorite apps, Ambient experience mode to turn it into digital art, and Wi-Fi 6 for fast connectivity. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a TV that delivers vibrant pictures, easy smart features, and room-filling sound for movies, gaming, or everyday watching, this is the one that'll make your home entertainment shine. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Amazon Fire TV Omni QLED series. This TV has a sleek, modern design with thin bezels and sizes from 43 to 75 inches, and it's wall mount ready for a clean look. The display is 4K UHD QLED with quantum dot technology for over 1 billion colors, high brightness to combat glare in bright rooms, and support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HLG for dynamic range that brings out details in dark and bright scenes. Audio is built in with Dolby Atmos for multi-dimensional sound that moves around the room, and it's eARC compatible for soundbars if you want more power. Alexa is hands-free with built-in mics, so you can say, "Alexa, play Stranger Things," or "Alexa, show me the news," without a remote. It even controls smart home devices. It runs Fire TV OS with a user-friendly interface, giving access to Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and thousands of apps, plus free content and personalized recommendations. The Ambient experience mode is unique. It displays art, photos, or widgets when the TV is off, turning it into a digital canvas with motion sensors to activate when you enter the room. Connectivity includes 4 HDMI ports with HDMI 2.1 for 4K gaming at 60 Hz, Bluetooth for wireless headphones, Wi-Fi 6 for smooth streaming, and Ethernet for stability. Setup is simple. Connect to Wi-Fi, log into Amazon, and Alexa guides you through preferences. Priced starting around $500 for smaller sizes, it's designed with sustainability in mind and comes with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are glowing. Vibrant QLED picture with excellent color and brightness for any lighting. Seamless Alexa and Fire TV integration for easy smart use. Immersive Dolby Atmos sound that enhances everything. Ambient mode that adds style to your room when off. Versatile connectivity for streaming and gaming, and a clean interface with personalized content. Users rave about the picture quality for HDR movies, the convenience of hands-free control, and the value for such features. On the con side, some report occasional software glitches like app crashes. The ambient mode requires a subscription for premium art, no advanced gaming features like VRR or 120 Hz, and sound can lack bass without a soundbar. A few mention the remote is basic, but overall the pros dominate for everyday viewers. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Amazon Fire TV Omni QLED series if you want a smart TV with vivid pictures and easy features. And the pros like QLED color, Alexa control, and ambient mode make sense for your home. It's perfect for families, streamers, or anyone upgrading on a budget. Before we wrap, if these reviews brighten your viewing, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs a new TV, or subscribe for more. See you next time.